Good morning, my dear student. Today we'll start second lesson, reproduction in plant of 5th standard. Well, in your last class discuss about what is reproduction and reproduction in seeds and how to a seed develops into seedling and also called as germination. And you recall some stages of a seed develops into seedling or a seed develops into a big plant. Now, today's topic is dispersal and its agent. What is dispersal? A process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called dispersal, or separated of seed from mother plant. This process is called dispersal. Next, types of seed dispersal. There are different ways in which seeds from its plant or parent plants is dispersed. Or there are different ways in which seeds from its parent plant is dispersed. These includes or some agents are wind, water, animals and explosion. First is wind. How to a seed is scattered from its mother plant by wind. The wind is the natural and fundamental, means the seed dispersal in the plant kingdom. This process of dispersal is mainly seen in those plants like cotton, dandelion, orchid plant, which are very light and have either wings or hair on them. These features enable them to be easily carried away by wind. Next one, seed dispersal by water. In this method, the seeds float away from their parent plants. These are mainly seen in those plants which lives in water or nearby water bodies like beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. This enables them to float on water. Water then carries them to different places. For example, coconut and lotus fruits and seeds of mangrove plant are carried away by water. Student, look at the picture. The coconut plant is floating in water. Next one, seed dispersal by animal and also birds. There are different ways in which the animals and birds disperse the seeds. Few animals and birds are attracted to bright colorful fruits. They eat the entire fruit and only the juicy part is digested by their system and the seeds are excreted out in the form of their dropping, which forms into a new plant. Or the seeds are thrown away in different places. These seeds germinate into new plants on getting appropriated conditions for growth. Similarly, birds eat the fruits and swallow their seeds, and also human beings and animals. Some seeds have sticky hair, hooks or barbs. These gets transported by sticking to the fur of animals or even to the claws of human being. Last one, seed dispersal by explosion. Some fruit scattered their seeds by exploding the seed pods. When the seeds are ripe and the pod has dried, it bursts open and the seeds are scattered. For example, pods of squirting cucumber spread their seeds by explosion. These five are different ways in which seeds from its parent plant is dispersal. In our last class, we will discuss reproduction from other parts of plants. Thank you, students.